Now let us understand, student, application of ionization enthalpy. We can decide, student, metallic character. If there is less ionization enthalpy, so there will be more metallic character. If you see from lithium to francium, the ionization enthalpy decreases. If the ionization enthalpy decreases, so metallic character will increase. If ionization enthalpy is very high, then non-metallic character is very high. Student, if you see, the ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing, so non-metallic character will decrease. Another thing, student, we can also predict valence electron by knowing the successive ionization enthalpy. So what we are supposed to do? First we have to check total number of lower ionization enthalpy before highest jump in ionization enthalpy. So what we can predict over here, in this column I have written highest jump in following ionization enthalpy, and here I have written number of valence electron. Student, if highest jump is observed on second ionization enthalpy, it means before highest jump that removal of electron is easy. I mean the first electron removal is easy, so the valence electron will be 1. If third ionization enthalpy shows highest jump, so removal of 2 electron is easy, so that will consisting of 2 valence electron. If fourth ionization enthalpy is high, then removal of 3 valence electron, and fifth is high, means you can remove what? 4th electrons. So like that we can predict number of valence electron. So that should be observed before highest jump of ionization enthalpy. Basis of following discussion.